Hi, what's up guys? My son gave this lamp one twist too many and now it's dead. But don't throw yours away yet. In this video I'm going to show you how to find the break and fix it for basically $0. So let's get started. Part 1. The setup and tools. Make sure you've unplugged the LED desk lamp and prepare your tools. You'll need just a few basic tools to get inside. Here, I'm using my available blade and a screwdriver. One of the most common problems of these rechargeable desk lamps is the joint part between the lamp pole and the lightning part. The wire easily got broken with a few twists. Part 2. The LED desk lamp surgery. Step number 1. Open the case. Well, many people will wonder how to open it when everything seems sealed and tightened. But here it is. See this joint of the cover here? I've found out that we can use a blade or a knife to pinpoint into the joint and nail it up. Okay guys, under that are hidden clips. Once you've got the first clip opened, use your knife pinpoint and drag slowly to go around the cover to remove all the clips. And beware, these clips can be quite easy to get broken. Well, got it open. Phew. Step number 2. Check the internal broken wires. There can be two faults happen with these internal wires. Either they are stripped off by the twisting action in my case, or they can be loosened the connection in the solder points. If it is loosened solder points, then give it a quick touch with a soldering iron until the silver melts. Now that we know the wires are actually snapped and not just loose, we have to get them back together. But there's a trick to doing this without losing your mind. Step number 3. Reconnect all the wires. Here's the mistake most people make when trying to reconnect these wires. They try to do it through the narrow tube. Well, to tell the truth, it's not a smart way to deal with this, and it feels like impossible. Here's the right way to do it. First, strip off the cover of the wires part in the lamp pole. Make sure it's long enough to connect these to the small little wires in the lighting part. Next, put the lighting part in as when we connect it. This will push these wires through the tube part and out to the lighting part. Well, now it's easy to wire them up. But before we wrap them all up, let's go to the part number 3 where the truth got tested. And stay around because if we don't tuck these wires in exactly the right way at the end of this video, they'll just snap again the next time you move the lamp. Part 3. The moment of relief. Before I put the clips back in, let's see if that did the trick. Now let's start connecting the internal wires. Black with the black and white with white. You see, the light is back on. It is successful guys. Part 4. The reassembly and wrap up. Alright, so we've got it tested successfully and now let's wire them up. Connect the white wire to the white one and twist them to stick together. Do the same with those black wires. Notice that I'm doing this by hand to show you it's possible. But if you have a pliers, use them. Last but not least, don't forget to tuck the wires to the side space separately so that they don't get pinched again. All parts got in the right way. Now cover it up and press on the clips and go one round so that you've got all the clips plugged in. Alright guys, that's how you save a $30 lamp with a 5-cent fix. If this video helps you out, drop me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.